Hey guys, Diecast Direct. Today I'm going to show you how to take apart a Hot Wheels car without using any screwdrivers, any drills, any tools, etc. Now here with me I have the Hot Wheels Volkswagen New Beetle Cup. Personally, one of my favorite Hot Wheels Volkswagens. It has a very nice orange paint job. And you know what got me thinking? How do I open this? So if you look on the bottom, there's going to be a little switch that says unlock. And right under the unlock, there's a little arrow, so you want to pull down. And this might take a couple of tries, but once you get it, the base will pop right off. And the car will now be in two separate pieces. For those of you who are wondering if the roll cage opens, it does open. It will take you a couple of tries to get that off, but it does open. I don't want to open mine because this is my only Hot Wheels Volkswagen New Beetle Cup in the color orange, and so, you know, it means a lot to me. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. There's a video up there you might want to watch. If you stick around in the next little while, I will show you how to put it back together. But if you're leaving, be sure to hit the subscribe button, and let me show you how to put it back together. Now, in order for you to put the car back, there's going to be a little hole in the body of the car, and you just want to align the base perfectly with it so that a little piece goes in, and then on the back, you just want to pull back that little lever there, click the car in, and this wraps up the video. Now you have your car back into one piece. Hope you guys like this video and subscribe.
Keeping all black outfit on.